Hi everyone, welcome to this introductory video on the multidisciplinary database GeoBase provided via the Engineering Village platform. This video is the first in a three-part series that aims to enhance both students and other library users' knowledge of what this database offers. Within this first video, I will describe the purpose of the database, what types of content it provides, the various subjects it covers, how this database can assist in students' academic endeavors, and how users can access this valuable resource provided by the Public Library. For a more in-depth perspective on basic and advanced searching, be sure to also view the videos for Part 2 and 3 of this series. GeoBase is an academic database that can be accessed by current Cal State Fullerton students, staff, and faculty, in addition to limited on-campus access for community and guest users. For this particular video series, the target audience are CSUF students who are geology majors or students taking a GE class in geological science, although it could be utilized in many advanced or related courses as well. Additional potential learners who may be interested in this video include anyone with the interest to learn more about this particular library resource. GeoBase consists of a multidisciplinary index covering up-to-date research literature on the earth sciences, ecology, geology, human and physical geography, environmental sciences, and geomechanics. The content within this online database covers materials from the year 1980 to the present, including international coverage on peer-reviewed journals, conference papers, monograph chapters, and trade publications. By using the GeoTree Index, a standardized classification and reference tool, GeoBase is able to provide consistent and accurate search results for all levels of geoscientists. Additional benefits to researchers include global geoscience coverage with an integrated mapping tool, results that facilitate the discovery of associated features or locations, and also access to citation counts and related citation details from Scopus, one of the largest citation index available for peer-reviewed content. At this time, you may be wondering, what is Engineering Village? Well, much like EBSCO or ProQuest, which are two of the commonly encountered platforms within academic and professional research, Engineering Village can be viewed as a similar type of umbrella platform. It provides access to a variety of engineering-related databases. Currently, this platform offers access to 12 databases, and the Public Library has a subscription to two of these sources, Compendex and GeoBase, the latter which we will focus on during this series of videos. The products within this platform are owned and operated by the scientific and technical publishing company Elsevier. This business entity has evolved since the 1880s by leveraging technology and collaborating with scientists in the effort to advance science and health. To access GeoBase, you will first visit the library's homepage at library.fullerton.edu. On the top navigation menu, click on the icon labeled Databases. Here you are presented to browse databases by subject or alphabetically by their name. Go ahead and scroll down, then select the subject Geological Sciences. After clicking the link, you will see GeoBase as the first suggested database. Before clicking on this link, there's a couple of things to note. Firstly, this list of databases is compiled by the subject librarian as a means of providing recommended resources for the subject of geological science. Clicking the link for more information below each of these databases will provide additional details about what each resource offers. Secondly, when accessing GeoBase from an off-campus computer, it's important to know that you will be asked to authenticate yourself with your campus portal login. Once you select the link for GeoBase and log in if needed, you will then be connected to the database. From here, you may view additional details about GeoBase, as well as Engineering Village, by scrolling down and clicking on the links for About Engineering Village and Who Uses EV. You may also access the GeoBase fact sheet by clicking on the Content Available link near the bottom of the screen. Next, you'll want to select View Engineering Databases, and lastly, you can download and view the fact sheet. I hope you found this general overview of GeoBase helpful. In the next series of videos, we will cover basic searching, advanced searching, and methods to access related resources to the field of geological science.